In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Lenovo laptop keyboard not working on Windows 10 or 11. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to completely reset your computer. So just click on the Windows logo, click on the power icon, and then press restart. Now, to make sure that everything works perfectly, you also want to unplug everything on your laptop, including your keyboards, maybe if you have one, your mouse, your printer, or something like that. And you also want to unplug the charger. From there, you then want to hold click on the power button for around 30 to 1 minute. This will then hard reset the laptop, resetting it to its default settings. Turn it back on and look if that fixes the problem. Basically, if not, the other thing that you can do is to simply plug a external keyboard on your laptop, and from there you can then continue using your laptop. But to completely fix this problem, if it still persists, you then want to navigate through your Windows logo. In here, you then want to right click on it, click Device Manager, and we want to completely reinstall our keyboard drivers. So just head over to Keyboards, click the Update driver. First, search for automatic drivers online, and then you want to make sure that all of your drivers is working perfectly. If not, you then want to uninstall the drivers right here, restart your computer, and it will automatically reinstall back in. So I have another method, which is to once again head over to the Windows logo, and basically inside this page you then want to use your onboard keyboard. So just click Settings, click on Home, navigate through the ease of access, scroll down, click Keyboard, and then you want to turn on the onboard keyboard. From here, just navigate through your browser, and then we want to install the Lenovo drivers for our keyboard. So just type Lenovo keyboard driver. In my case, I'll just press it right here to make things easier. Navigate through the Lenovo official website, download the drivers, and from there you are basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.